How to process Sigterm signal gracefully. Let's assume we have such a trivial daemon written in Python. And we demonize it using start-stop-daemon, which by default sends Sigterm, term, signal on, stop. Let's suppose the current step performed is number 2. And at this very moment we're sending term signal. What happens is that the execution terminates immediately. I've found that I can handle the signal event using signal.signal, signal.sigterm, handler, but the thing is that it still interrupts the current execution and passes the control to handler. So, my question is it possible to not interrupt the current execution but handle the term signal in a separated thread, so that I was able to set shutdown_flag equals true so that main loop had a chance to stop gracefully?
A class-based clean-to-use solution.
First, I'm not certain that you need a second thread to set the shutdown_flag. Why not set it directly in the Sigterm handler? An alternative is to raise an exception from the Sigterm handler, which will be propagated up the stack. Assuming you've got proper exception handling, e.g. with /context manager and try column ... finally column blocks, this should be a fairly graceful shutdown, similar to if you were to Control+C your program. Example program signals test.py. Now see the Control+C behavior. This time I send it Sigterm after 4 iterations with kill $psaux grep signals test awk /python /print $2. This time I enable my custom Sigterm handler and send it Sigterm.
Here is a simple example without threads or classes.
I think you are near to a possible solution. Execute main loop in a separate thread and extend it with the property shutdown_flag. The signal can be caught with signal.signal, signal.sigterm, handler, in the main thread, not in a separate thread. The signal handler should set shutdown_flag to true and wait for the thread to end with thread.join.
Based on the previous answers, I have created a context manager which protects from sigint and sigterm.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.